Hi, superstars! Today we'll be talking about real estate business in Nigeria. My superstars, if you remember clearly, some time ago I said that real estate business was just starting, was a virgin business in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, that people were not aware and only few people had knowledge about it. But I was wrong, my superstars. I don't understand what's happening in real estate business in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. It's like so many people stumbled on my video and ran out to get their properties. Right now, so many people are flowing in to get properties in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Lots of people are going into land banking and they're securing lots of plots. And guess what, my superstars? So many of them have return on investments of more than 100% in the space of 6 months. Is that not great? Which financial institution will give you that big of a return on investment in a short period of time? So lots of people are flowing in to secure their plots roundabout. Okay, so we've been going about sourcing for plots for clients, and my superstars, people are hiking up prices of lands. But no matter what, smart investors are going ahead to secure their plots in order to prepare their future. Okay, so let me tell you a story. 2 days ago, we took a client who is into sales of foodstuff in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, to our deep luxury estate. And in 24 hours, she secured a plot. This is someone who sells foodstuffs, but she is very enlightened on the need to secure a plot rather than leave her money sitting without giving her returns on investment. And she doesn't just have this one, she has other ones that keep accruing and accruing over time. So what are you waiting for? Let me take you on a tour. Let me show you what we've been doing in Akwa Ibom State in real estate business in Nigeria. Okay, my superstars, let me show you.
The land I'm about to show you is at Shelter Afrique Extension in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, Nongate. Shelter Afrique Extension Estate in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo is known for luxury, where all the la cream of the society in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo live. So this estate is in a luxurious environment, and as you can see, it's a fully built up environment. Okay, so this is the plot. It has it, as you can see, it is very big. It's a 718 square meter plot. That's the boundary you're seeing right there. That's the boundary. Stops at the wall. You can see the wall in front of you. Look at that. My superstar is very big. That's the wall, and then stretches to the road. It's 780 square meters. Okay, so the asking price for this is 10M. Okay, so this is another property located at Ring Road 3, the newly commissioned Ring Road 3. This property is more than 500 square meters, and as you can see, it is well fenced. That's the fence of the property, and the property is well positioned by the road, just by the road. You can see the fence of the property, and it's just by the road, surrounded by beautiful structures in a fully built up environment. This property is very viable and has great landmarks. It is connected to the newly commissioned Grace Estate by the governor along Ring Road 3. It has a health center close by. It's a viable property and perfect for land banking or building residential house. Next is our deep luxurious estate located at Impact Road. This estate is one of our hottest sales. It had 22 plots on it, but as I speak with you, almost all the plots have been bought by people. We have barely 6 plots left. A 500 square meter plot on this estate is going for 1.5 million naira, and phase 1 is almost completed, completely sold out. Soon we'll be embarking on phase 2. Okay, my superstars, we are still searching for plots for real estate. This particular plot has lots of potentials. Whoever buys this property will make about 100% return on investment in the next 6 months. As you can see, this area is a newly developed area. You can see the drainage right there. Gutters are being made. The road will soon be tarred. And once the road is tarred, the price of real estate in this area is going to skyrocket to another level. And only smart investors will enjoy the fruits there. So whoever is lucky enough to buy this property will make 100% return on investment in the next 6 months. Oh, someone has already made about 80% return on investment in 2 months. The first person who bought it resold it and all that. My superstores, this land is more than 900 square meters and it's located in the heart of town. As you can see, it's fully fenced and that fence serves as the boundary. Very big land, my superstores. The fence, you can see the fence, that's the boundary of the land and it flushes on the tarred road. Yes, you can see the tarred road. This land is located in a fully developed area and you can see it's suitable for a residential house, a mall, or whatever you want to use it for. And we are approaching the junction right now. Okay, that's it. This land is located just after Ifa Big Junction in Oron Road, Uyo. You want to. My superstars, we are sourcing, and right now we are in the bush. This is what sourcing for real estate looks like. Okay. Okay, then. This is what sourcing in real estate looks like. We've been going from plots to plots, trying to find out a place. Like this particular plot has great landmarks and potentials. Yeah, for as many as whoever is lucky enough to buy this plot will make 100% return on investment in the next 6 months, because this plot has a lot of great landmarks attached. Oh, and so ants have entered my shoe. Okay, so we are still sourcing. Alright. In sourcing for real estate, we go to the root. We go to the root by ourselves and source for good and viable real estate properties for our clients. We look out for properties with potentials to have a quick and high return on investment in the shortest possible time. As we also work with our clients' budgets and make sure we source for legit lands only.
Alright, my superstars. So, if you're interested in investing in real estate business in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, the state capital, you can always reach out to me. We have lots and lots of plots of lands at various locations in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, where you could invest and have more than 100% return on investment, or at least 100% return on investment within the shortest possible time. So, my superstars, we could get something for you from 1.5 million naira. Like right now, we have plots of land at Eve Luxurious Estate located at back at 1.5 million naira. We have lots of plots at various locations at even Shelter Africa Extension, one of the luxurious places in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. If you need plots of land there, if you love luxury, you can always reach out to me and I'll secure you a plot or more than 2 plots at the famous Shelter Africa Extension in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. Alright, okay, and we also have other places you can ring us and we'll work with your budget and based on the location you want. So what are you waiting for? Send me a call or a DM and we'll get started. Alright, my superstars. Okay, so if you have not subscribed, please, my superstars, hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. Thank you. Until our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye.